Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public channel in WhatsApp. First, ensure your WhatsApp application is updated to the latest version on your mobile device. Open WhatsApp, then navigate to the Updates tab. Here, you will find the Channels section. Tap the plus icon next to Channels, and then select Create Channel to begin the process. This is the only way to establish a new public broadcast channel. After tapping Create Channel, you'll see some important guidelines. Read them carefully, then tap Continue. Next, you'll need to give your channel a name. Choose something descriptive and engaging, keeping it under 100 characters. Add a clear description that tells potential followers what your channel is about. Finally, upload a profile picture to make your channel easily recognizable and professional. Once your channel is created, you can start sharing it. Find your channel link in the settings and share it widely to attract followers. You can post various updates, including text, photos, videos, and even polls, to keep your audience engaged. For larger channels, you can add up to 16 administrators to assist with content management. Remember to adjust your channel settings to control visibility and follower interactions. To grow your channel, actively promote it across all your other social media platforms and websites. Consistency is key. Regularly post valuable and engaging content to keep your followers interested and coming back for more. Encourage interaction by responding to follower reactions and building a sense of community. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below. Remember, a thriving channel requires dedication and consistent effort to maintain its momentum.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.